Hi, I'm Mike.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. We're really excited to invite you to join us for our upcoming workshop in London, 7 Steps to Heaven on Earth, where we'll be diving into some powerful tools to transform your energy and the way you experience your life.
In this workshop, we'll start by introducing simple yet effective breathwork techniques that you can implement straight away. Breathwork helps you to reset, calm your mind, and reconnect with your body. It's perfect for when you're feeling overwhelmed or out of balance.
Exactly. And we'll also guide you through visualizations designed to help you shift your focus toward creating a more peaceful, joyful present moment. These visualizations aren't just for relaxation, they're tools that you can use forever to change your thinking and reshape your emotional state on the spot.
And we all know how tricky the ego can be. It's that voice in your head that keeps you stuck in old patterns. In this workshop, we'll show you practical ways to identify when your ego is in control, and more importantly, how to work with it rather than against it, so you can make more empowered choices.
Yeah. And of course, one of the central focuses on the workshop is unlocking the power within you using the model of the chakra system. The chakras are energy centers in your body that influence your physical, your emotional, and spiritual well being. When they're in harmony, life flows more easily. You feel more aligned, more balanced, and also more empowered.
This isn't just about understanding the chakras on a theoretical level. We'll be giving you tools to work with your chakras in a way that will shift your energy and thinking. This is a transformational event.
Right. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a new understanding of your own anatomy, your spiritual anatomy, your physical anatomy, for example, the endocrine system, and how the endocrine system is designed to help us have a better life, to help us have higher functions of many different things in our life, in our world, in our emotional state, and how to manage your energy, deal with your ego, and unlock your personal potential within your chakra system. So it's a shift in your awareness that can help you create what we like to call a heaven on earth, a state where you're living from a place of alignment and empowerment.
Whether you're joining us in person in London or attending live online, this is going to be a powerful experience. We're looking forward to guiding you through this journey.
Yeah, we're so excited to invite you to this. We've been working on it for a while. Many workshops coming up as well. And if you are going to be in the live, if you can't fly into London, as many of you can't, because there's friends around the world, Australia, you name it. If you sign up for the live online events, which by demand we have actually created 3 of the same workshop because there's so much demand. And at the same time, all participants will also get a recording of the event. So if for some reason you can't attend, if you're doing the live online and you can't attend, that's okay. We're going to send you a recording and you can do it in the comfort of your own home whenever it suits you. And you can also use it later on. So, for example, Sunday morning, you want to do a workshop, there it is, just for you. Or maybe perhaps you just want to do one section. For example, there's something going on with your heart, or maybe you're with a friend, there's something going on with their heart. Okay, you can just go to that section of the heart and move into that for a short workshop just on the heart chakra. All
Okay.
right, so come and take part. It's time to let go of what's holding you back and step into your full potential. Come
Be
join
great to
us.
see you there. Be great to see you there.
Great to see
Okay.
you.
Bye for now.
All right, bye for now.